Okay, I got me a new memory card. It's 8 gigabyte. I'm up here at my church and saw these 4 air conditioners I hope to get. They are all International Comfort products, all 4-ton, and they're straight cool units matched with a gas furnace. No, one's a Lennox. Yeah, one's a Lennox. I can see him. See him? Way up there? Okay, I gotta make this quick because I won't allow 10-minute videos. Alright, there's 2 here. These are all International Comfort products. Better tell me what brand name? Max Performance 12 is just like my old one. Got a large compressor. See, no reversing valve, so yeah. This one's the same. Model number is CAC048HAC. Serial's E033135955. International Comfort Products Corporation. I'd say a temp star. And this one's the same. I'd say temp star. Going up here, I see a new Lennox. He's got a scroll compressor. I don't see reversing valve. The model number on the Lennox is M/N13ACD-048-230-04 R22, 7 pounds 8 ounces. Dallas, Texas. And here is, I don't know what this one is, but it's got a fairly large compressor, decent sized compressor. And International Comfort Products. Model number CA5548VHD2. Serial L983466405. This thing's from the 80s. R22, 134 ounces. Cool. Alright, to the back. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out. Over and out.